Welcome! This mindful pseudocol etymology lesson is on the word organize. We will be discussing this word's origin and meaning. I'm Dr. Daniel May. Thank you for joining me. The verb organize, meaning to order or sort in a unified fashion, can be traced back through Old French to Latin origins with the word organum, meaning organ. The musical instrument, the organ, as well as the organs of the body, and the word organic can also be traced back to this word. We can trace the word back to Greek origins with the word organon, meaning a tool used to do something. We can trace this word back to Proto-Indo-European origins with a root meaning to do. This root meaning to do is the source of other words such as energy and work, as well as allergy, the element argon, boulevard, cholinergic, ergonomics, the name George, orgy, and the word surgeon. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Does it change your understanding of the word organize at all? Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I wish you well in your pursuit of health and wellness.